So I've got the Galaxy A27, and let me show you how to insert the SIM card in this phone. Now this particular one has a SIM slot in the top left corner, and with this SIM slot, all you need to do is get a SIM ejector tool and pop out the SIM tray by just putting it in the hole and pushing towards the phone. Now as soon as it pops out, then just use the tips of your fingers to pull out the SIM tray. And with the SIM tray pulled out, you'll quickly realize that this accepts two physical nano SIM cards. Now, of course, there's also the provision for an SD card, but you have to choose. You're either having two SIM cards or one physical SIM card and one SD card. You cannot have two SIM cards and an SD card, so you kind of have to choose. So if you want a SIM card setup, all you have to do is grab your nano SIM cards and place them in the slots. So one of the SIM cards is going to sit like this. So you need to align the indent. You kind of have to align the indent of the SIM card with the indent on the SIM tray. So that's your SIM 1. That's how it sits. Make sure it sits completely flush with the SIM tray. Nothing is popping out, as you can see. And then for the other SIM card, once again, you have to align the indent on the SIM card with the indent on the SIM tray and place it like this. Oops, the other one popped out. So let me just put it back. So that's how both SIM cards sit on the SIM tray with the indents like that. And of course, as you can see, when I tilt it like this, nothing is popping out. Everything is sitting properly inside the SIM tray. Now, once you have those in the SIM tray, now you can push the SIM tray back into the phone. There's no need for any amount of excessive force. The SIM tray goes in smoothly, completely flush with the side of the phone or the frame of the phone. And that is it. That's how to insert a SIM card. So now when I turn on the screen, you can see my SIM 1 and SIM 2 are now detected, and that is it. So I can now go ahead and set up. I can choose which one I want preferred for calls. Of course, this is all stuff you can change later, so I'll just pass through and tap on done, and that's it. I have SIM 1 and SIM 2. That is basically how to insert SIM cards in your Galaxy A27 5G. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.